it was like 5 million CPU hours, which seems like a lot. But then the next one was like 10 million. The next one was 20 million. The next one after that was like over 50 million. The limitation is only up to the imagination of the VFX artists. Hi, I'm Hakim Karim. I'm co-founder of GridMarkets, a platform for high-throughput computing in the cloud. We're a heavy user of cloud computing. We run hundreds or thousands of GPUs and CPUs to do heavy-duty number crunching for things like animation and VFX. So our customers at the moment, they're animation artists, studios, all the way down to individuals and students, especially during the pandemic. Many of them didn't even have access to their campuses, to their offices or whatever, so they needed a cloud-based solution which we were able to provide. Now, in fact, we have already expanded into drug discovery, basically accelerate the process of discovering new drugs. The models just become more sophisticated, the data just becomes larger, and at the end of the day, compute power is really the thing that's going to allow you to process that amount of data with all the sophistication and the speed that you need to produce the results that you want. And that's what we do. We have a platform that at the push of a button, you can basically leverage the power of the cloud securely so that people can focus on their work and not on the technology behind the scenes to make it happen. At the beginning, when we first started, cloud was actually still a very new concept. And certainly for many companies, it was still something that they were a little unsure about. In the animation VFX space, they've been a lot more open to accepting cloud as they are in some other industries. But for example, in the pharma space, they're a lot more hesitant about it. There are still some concerns about security. Then once they get to use it and they realize how simple we make the whole process. Because if they had to do this themselves, they would have to solve all those security problems themselves. Alibaba's been a great partner for us in terms of their ability to scale, the stability and the reliability of their platform, and the fact that they obviously have presence all over the world, and we have customers in over 100 different countries. We need to be able to service them wherever they are. We obviously use much of their compute power. So Alibaba was able to bring a lot of GPU power especially. On top of that, we use their object storage and many other aspects of their platform. Security is obviously an important factor as well. So they help to make us very secure as well in the process, because a lot of what we deal with is very IP sensitive, obviously. I think the Project Asia initiative is a really great way for us to be able to connect with many different participants in the market, whether they are suppliers, whether they're consumers, whether they are software vendors, whether investors or whomever, that can hopefully really help to accelerate our business and also those of all our partners as well. I think you have to really fundamentally understand what is the market opportunity. So once you're sure that you're in a solid market that is growing, and you have a good solution, you have a good team to go after it, be relentless. Because you must believe in yourself. You'll come across many different issues that will all make it a challenge for you. But if you believe fundamentally in what you're doing, and you believe in your team, and you believe in yourself, you can make a success of it.